Hi, my name is Bruce Bladen. Um, I've been a structural engineer for Boeing for 26 years, and they are retaliating against me for whistleblowing a problem on 777 and 787 airframes. I first reported the problem back in 2002 on 777. There was a service-related problem, an issue with loose fasteners found on the pivot fitting assemblies in service. I did an investigation and reported the root cause to be, I suspected it was an engineering error. Side load fittings left off of the engineering design of the horizontal stabilizer pivots. The other wide bodies that Boeing makes have very robust side load fittings on the pivot fitting assemblies of the stabilizer. 47 does, and as well as 767. 777 was the first airframe that deviated from this, and the consequences, I think, are going to be rather drastic. It places the pivot bearings into a shear plane and leaves them they can seize. The bearings can seize, and they're susceptible to seizing in service. And if that happens, the pivot pins will fatigue very, very quickly, and they can crack out, and the stabilizer could depart the airplane. And where you had an airplane of 400 people, you will have a smoking hole in the ground, or you know, something wreckage on the bottom of the ocean. I believe that the Asiana Flight 214 that crashed in San Francisco may have been the first 777 that had an issue that is likely, the cause is likely the problem I just described. Boeing had to repeat the same problem on 787. I worked 777 until 2003. I had spent also worked a 767-400 program, but from 2003 to 2013, I was the lead structures engineer on the vertical fin. In 2012, I also took over the horizontal stabilizer, and I signed off a test plan in December of 2012 that included side loading on the test article. And just prior to the beginning of test, they had to get rid of the AR, me, because they didn't want to include that side loading on that test article. So they have been mind fucking me and torturing me and terrorizing me, using the NSA to cover their ass ever since. I have been denied benefits, and just had everyone, my family, every friend, every coworker, every neighbor I've ever known, alienated from me. I have no help. I cannot hire an attorney. I cannot find ethical law enforcement. They're corrupt all the way up to the Justice Department. And I'm going broke, and really don't have anyone to help me.